Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use your American Express card for online shopping. Whether you're a new cardholder or just want a quick refresher, this guide will have you making secure purchases in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your American Express card is activated. If you haven't done this yet, log into your Amex account online or via the mobile app. It's a simple process, usually just a quick verification call or email. Once activated, you're ready to shop. But remember, not every website accepts Amex, so always double-check before you add items to your cart. Now, when you're ready to check out, you'll need to enter your card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back. Pro tip: use a secure, private network to avoid any potential risks. If your card is linked to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, that's even easier. Just select it as your payment method and authenticate with your fingerprint or Face ID. Security is key when shopping online, so let's talk about that. Always look for the HTTPS in the website URL to ensure it's encrypted. American Express offers extra layers of protection, like fraud monitoring and virtual card numbers for added privacy. Keep an eye on your account statements regularly through the Amex app to spot any unauthorized transactions quickly. One more thing. Take advantage of Amex perks. Many cards come with rewards points, cashback, or travel benefits on online purchases. It's not just about spending, it's about smart spending. There you have it. Using your American Express card online is straightforward and secure with these steps. If you run into any issues, the Amex customer service is top-notch. Just give them a call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. What's your favorite online shopping hack? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.